Online success is not just training, it also offers you multiple business opportunities. This training is designed to give you all the fundamental advice all in one place. But this system is much more than a simple digital product. Even though the primary aim is to show you how to create a real, solid online business that can build real value for you, you could eventually sell this system and make a big profit. I will also include links to additional information that will explore various aspects of online businesses in more detail. I have also created numerous ways that you can work directly with us to help you generate online income. This online success business building system is not simply static training information because it links out to our website and other websites and resources where you will find more business opportunities and guidance every month. I hope that this will be the start of a long-term mutually beneficial partnership and an ongoing relationship in the months and years to come. Additional information, bonuses and training. I'm keen to build a relationship with as many people as possible, so I am making certain information available exclusively to our customers and newsletter subscribers. I also want to demonstrate my goodwill and knowledge in advance, so that you know if you do purchase something else from us in the future, it will be high quality, and it will work for you. Okay, it's now time to look at the action steps you should start taking to establish your first online business.